Welcome to our Tech and Inventions channel. Today's video I'm going to clearly show you how to use this Telegram bot. So this Telegram bot works like the previous video I did about the WhatsApp bot, like the WhatsApp AI. So this one also works like the same way, but this works the same way, but this one it works only on Telegram, and that video too works only on WhatsApp. So without wasting my time, I'll get into the video. Intro. Welcome back. So I'll head over to WhatsApp to tap the link. I'll put that link under the video description for you to also tap it. This is the link. I'll tap on it. I'll put the link under the video description for you to also tap it. So you tap on the link, and the link will send you to Chrome. Then it will send you back to Telegram, because the bot is on Telegram, not on WhatsApp. I'm just using the link, that's why I went to WhatsApp. So when it comes like this, then you tap on Telegram. So when you tap on Telegram, it will come like this. This is the name, ChatGPT text and image generator. Forget about the name, because this one it doesn't work with images. It's the same as ChatGPT and doesn't work with images. This one it works like the Pi, the one I did about the WhatsApp own. So this one too, you can also ask questions like the same thing as I did on the WhatsApp. So you can ask the AI any question you want, and let's see.
Let's test this AI.
Okay, write me a short story about cars. Okay, then let's search it. Okay, this one is instant. You see, as I tap on the send button, then you see here the AI is typing. So okay, it's typing. So let's wait for the AI to generate the text for me. Okay, the AI has generated me the text, and this AI is they has written me plenty. I just said this short story. Look at this many paragraph. We have the paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 paragraphs. I just wrote write me a short story about cars. So what if I wrote write me a long story about cars? So the AI is working, then it works like the ChatGPT. So I'll put that link under the video description for you to use this AI too. So this AI works on Telegram. Then the previous video I did, that one works on WhatsApp. So you can use, so when we're using WhatsApp, you can use that AI, and when it comes to Telegram, you can use this AI. And when it goes to Snapchat, I know Snapchat have their own AI, so you can also use that. So you see, it has generated me the text. That is 10 paragraph story. But this one, I know it doesn't work on images, so let's forget about the images. Let's test the audio whether it also works. Okay, let test the audio. So okay, it's gone. And as you see, I'm not sure this I'm not sure this AI works on audio. So this is what I want you to show you today. This is Tech and Inventions channel, and I want you to subscribe, like, and share my videos so that I can upload more videos of this. I'm signing out. Boom.